Hey Taters, this is Tree from treeoflogic.com. So as promised, I am giving you all an update on one of the hearings that is being done, that was heard today. The other one is still going on right now. So let's talk about Pennsylvania. There's a lot of misinformation that's going on right now. So as you all know, I like to give you the hardcore facts. I like to provide you with the receipts and let you know the truth of what's going on. We have a lot of left-leaning propaganda news networks. They're basically slanting the truth or not covering the truth at all. And so let me tell you what's going down. All right. So the Pennsylvania Appeals Court dismissed Trump's lawsuit. This is what Trump wanted in the first place. I find it really funny that a lot of people on Twitter, especially the people on the left, are like, ha ha, Trump's lawsuit got dismissed by a judge that was appointed by Trump. Dude, do you not understand that the end goal was to get it to the Supreme Court? That is the end goal, to get it to the Supreme Court. And so they're saying that all the judges that dismissed or rejected Trump's lawsuit in Pennsylvania were appointed by Trump, and that is true because this was the end goal right here. This is Jenna Ellis. This is one of the lawyers. And once that happened, this is what she tweeted. Rudy Giuliani and me on Third Circuit's opinion. The activist judiciary machinery in Pennsylvania continues to cover up the allegations of massive fraud. We are very thankful to have had an opportunity to present proof and the facts that the Pennsylvania State Legislature. On to SCOTUS. And this was the end game in the first place. This is what Trump's legal team wanted to do in the first place. So when I hear liberals talking about Trump can't even get his own lawyers to hear his case. Trump didn't want them to hear his case. He wanted it all to go to SCOTUS. That's all he wanted, to go to SCOTUS, all right? And so, and let's not forget, I think a lot of people have a short memory, but did y'all forget this? Did y'all forget this? Okay? All right? Justice Alito ordered Pennsylvania counties to segregate late ballots while counting, and you know what? They didn't even do it. So you know you're going to make him mad, right? Because I explain to you all on my live stream. By the way, this video stays up. This is one of my videos that I'm going to be keeping up so that you guys can share it. Please share it. Please pass it around. Let everybody know what's happening. Don't listen to the left basically bring you down and say, oh, Trump lost, Trump. No. This was planned. Now, remember, over 100,000 ballots were received after November the 3rd at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. And Justice Alito stated that, hey, all of those ballots that are received after that, they need to be separated because there's a strong chance they're going to be thrown out because a judicial branch, which was the Supreme Court, cannot basically make voting laws. It was unconstitutional for the Supreme Court in Pennsylvania to say, oh, no, we're going to accept votes, mail-in ballots after the election all the way up to November the 6th at 8 p.m. because the state legislatures in Pennsylvania basically set this last year in 2019. They said all ballots that will be counted must be received on November the 3rd by 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time. The legislatures there, the politicians who make the laws, they set that out. The Supreme Court in Pennsylvania, all right, this is judiciary. They can't do that. That's unconstitutional. Said, nah, don't worry about that. We're going to have it after you can still receive the ballots, mail-in ballots after the 3rd on the voting day and up till November the 6th. Justice Alito said, no, y'all can't do that. You know what I'm saying? You guys can't do that. That's not your job. You basically are working out of your constitutional. This is not what your job description is, and that's not how the Constitution is. You know, basically we have a judicial branch and we have a legislature branch, and so a lot of these people don't realize that this was the end goal for Trump and his lawyers. All right, Rudy Giuliani knows exactly what he's doing. Jenna knows what she's doing. A lot of them know what they're doing, and so they don't understand this was the end goal in the first place, to get all of those ballots. I mean, everybody's concentrating on the machine. This is fine, but basically just get those ballots that was received after November the 3rd at 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern time. And Trump got it because Trump was in the lead about 6 or 7 points ahead. It wasn't until after November the 3rd, like on November the 4th, November the 5th, and the 6th, then all those ballots came in for Biden. That's mathematically impossible. You mean to tell me all 100 and I think 20 something thousand ballots come in, out of the blue, and none of them, speaking of blue, and none of them were for Trump? None of them were for Trump. They were all for Biden. Come on, dude. Come on. Who y'all playing with? Y'all playing with? We ain't silly. We ain't stupid. We know what's going on. So yeah, I just want to let you guys know that, yeah, this is what they wanted. They wanted this to happen. It doesn't matter if these were appointed judges by Trump. Dude, he ain't angry. He ain't mad. This is what he wanted, to get it to the highest court we have in America, okay? And that's the Supreme Court. And basically, it is set up to do, they're set up to do just that. I don't know when that date will happen. What's the process now is that they present their case, they gather all their evidence, and I know for a fact Justice Alito, it has some special interest in this, because I think once they let him know that Pennsylvania never segregated the ballots after all, then it might basically decertify those votes in Pennsylvania. This can go in so many directions, ladies and gentlemen. It's kind of like, it's so exciting to watch because you don't know what's going to happen. But listen, I will talk about more about this on Sunday at 8 o'clock p.m. on my live stream. For those of you who basically don't know me, I'm Tree from treeoflogic.com here on the Treehouse News. I report the news. I'm a right-winger, militant right-winger, and I upload videos like this. I just came from vacation, so you're going to see more videos of me updating you all on what's happening with the election process. You know what I'm saying? Trump, this was taken from him. He's about to take it back, and we're about to get a lot of salty liberal tears. Feel free to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like this video and share it. Share it with other patriots. Let them know your girl is back. Let them know where I am. Holla at me and subscribe. And basically just come on over here and join us on Sunday and then Monday, as well as next Thursday. So I live stream Sunday, Monday, and Thursday at 8 o'clock p.m. No, excuse me, Sunday at 8 o'clock p.m. on Monday and Thursday at 6 o'clock p.m. Okay? I will see you all next time. By the way, I'm still watching the news, so if anything else comes through the pipe, I will definitely do another video. Later, taters.